Waddles and I are so excited. It's Christmas Eve. I've finished work. That's the most exciting bit. Come on, Waddles, it's Christmas Eve. We've got to do our Christmas Eve page. I know. So, right. So we've got all this stuff ready. I don't know how much of this we're going to use, but we've got an idea what we want to do, haven't we? Well, you have. I have. Right, you sit up there and watch. You can peek over the top. Okay. So, let's get ready. Now, I'm thinking of a nighttime page where we are just waiting for Santa to come, Waddles, aren't we? We're just waiting. Where's my scissors? And of course it has to be night time. He doesn't come in the day and he doesn't come when you're awake. We all know this. So we're going to do this page and we're both going to go to bed. Oh no, I'm going to bed too. Because we've got to get everything organised, haven't we? Ready for when Santa comes. So we've got some traditions that we do that I've done with my girls since they were little. And we always put out some gingerbread cookies and some milk for Santa because he likes milk. Sometimes he'll have a sneaky glass of wine. And we also leave out some carrots for the reindeers. Well, you can't leave them out. They want stuff. They get hungry. Right, oh, I've got two there. So what I'm doing is I'm making, out of just some paper, a roof so that Santa can land on the roof and come down the chimney. Yes, I know. Oh, no, we need to rip that one. So let's make it a bit more like it's a roof and not a piece of paper that we've ripped. There we go. It looks really cool. I like that. Okay. Oh, I'm just looking forward to 5 days off work. It's like being on holiday. I know, it's very sad. That's the bit I'm looking forward to. So we're not going to glue on there because you know what will happen. We'll put something down and it will get stuck, and we need that page, don't we, Waddles, for tomorrow? Right. So there we go. Oh, that's just lovely. I love that. And we've got one of these so that Santa stops. It's going to be all out of proportion, but we don't mind. We just want to put everything down. Everything. There he is. Well, Santa, stop here. Because Waddles has been good. He left you his message with one of your helpers yesterday. There we go. And we have this, which I've been saving because we're going to put this on here. There's Santa going down the chimney and all the reindeers in the background. And that's his sleigh filled up with presents. So I may just make a better job of the roof bit there, because there we are. I think that looks a bit better. Let's put it down. And we're going to go and find a nice Christmas film to watch tonight, aren't we? We don't know what's on yet, but we're going to go find something to watch. are getting ready to go down the chimney. I know, it's very exciting. And we put this little reindeer that we want to put on the top. This is one of my page edges. And my little pop-ups. I think they're really cute. And I'm not going to put it on there. I'm going to just move that out the way a minute. Because I think, how cute is it having a little reindeer popping up over the top. It's not Rudolph. No red nose. Right, we can put... Oh, no. That's got to go that side. There we go. And we'll pop that back in. Oh, don't glue. Okay, we'll leave that out a minute while we glue that back, while that glues down. Right, back to this page. We need some glue there, it's not sticking. Sometimes the glue stick is just not good enough. Ooh, we need a pocket. We need a pocket for my tag. So this, I made this ages ago, and all it is a handmade tag, and then I've just put on some fabric and stitched around and put a bow on, a ribbon. What's this? Oh yeah, we want to put this on, didn't we? The time, because it's always watching the clock, isn't it? Should we put this one on or should we wait? You want to put it on? Okay. You just want me to hurry up and finish. It's 5 to 2. I don't think it is really. Okay, what else? We need a pocket. We need a pocket. Right, I do have some fabric, which I think is absolutely cute. And I'm thinking this might be my pocket. I know it's covering the snow, but do you know what? It doesn't matter. Maybe we could find some white. Maybe we should just use some more paper. That would be a bit boring though, wouldn't it? What can we use? Nope. What can we use? How about a Merry Christmas? Could put that on. I need fabric because I've got to stitch on something. Right. I weren't that prepared. I need to find some white fabric. Look what I found. We're going to have some of this on. Why not? Because it's cute. And it's covered in whatever this is. We won't use that corner. This bit, look at this bit. We'll use this bit. Big snowflakes. Glittery snowflakes. We've not used glitter much, have we? I'm not a big glitter fan. But I think there is a time. There is a time for glitter. Tonight might be the night. I'm just wondering how to get this on. I don't... That look... Right, let me cut this bit off. Around that. I don't even know if I can glue this on. Oh dear. That's what happens when you change your plans. Right, Fabri-Tac. Luckily, I have that. I have everything ready. It's all ready. Right, I'm going to try and glue it over here. Because I want, I'm going to put some at the bottom here. Because I don't think it's going to take a lot of glue. No. And we're going to do a little bit up the sides. That's probably way too much. Just got to leave enough room. Oh, lid. Lid. Not having another one of those errors. Okay, we're nearly there, Waddles. Oh, can I fit the tag in there? Have I made it too small? Oh no, I have as well. Right, so we're going to have to just clip this on because Carol has made the pocket too small. That's a bit silly. That's very silly. Right, okay, so we're going to have to add something over the top now because I've made that pocket too small. So I'm going to glue that completely down. Oh, honestly. Sometimes I think I'm just very, very tired, guys. I'm in my pyjamas under here, ready for bed. I'll get out my work stuff because, you know, finished. Put some of this. We had this at the beginning. I could make some more of this. Let's just layer it up a bit. If we use this, we can put our tag in it, and we've got a bit of glitter. It doesn't look very real, but hey, it's a night for magic. Just going to put it like that. You can see some stars underneath. It's a twinkly, glittery page of magic. And I want to attach this. Now, Waddles, listen very carefully. Did you hear that? Jingle bells. I think the sleigh is on its way. I know, very exciting. We're going to pop this. This is why I was going to use fabric, but we might be all right. It might go through. Let's go through where it's not so thick. We're going to put it up here. Why not? Because we can do whatever we like. I jangle it onto there. Actually, let's come round the other side. Oh my goodness, what's she doing? What is she doing? Okay. Right. Right, so we've got the knot on this side. And what we can do is we're just going to dangle. Come on. Oh, I'm going through 2 pages. That's probably not very good idea. Oh, made a big knot now. We're doing well. We're doing well. You can tell, can't you? I'm a bit tired. And I do have this reindeer. And I'm wondering whether I can put him on as well, but I don't know. I think that might be a bit ambitious, maybe. Right. So I'm going to try and tie a knot there and see if this works. I don't know. It may get a bit dangly, but it doesn't matter. Just go through again. Hopefully it doesn't fall off. I think it's tight. Okay, pocket, tag, gingerbread. There we go. I was going to put this on, but I didn't. Oh, we haven't put 24. We just piled it all on tonight. I just found all the things I wanted to put on. And they're on. Right, let's just put this back in. There we go. Right, you stay down. And I shall do some journaling on the back of this. Where's my pen? So how excited is Waddles on a scale of 1 to 10? 10 out of 10 for excitement. So what traditions should we do? Should we write down our traditions for Christmas Eve? Yeah? So we're going to put some gingerbread cookies. Oops, can't spell cookies. And milk for Santa. Carrots for the reindeers. And what else do we have to do? You have to get your stocking and put it on the end of your bed. Yes. And then in the morning, you'll be able to feel it at the bottom of your bed when Santa's been. Is that it? Oh yes, you've got to get to sleep or Santa don't come. So we'll let that dry. We didn't put this on, but I think we've probably got enough on there. We could put that on, but I think we're getting a bit. We've overdone that page slightly, just slightly. But you know, it's Christmas Eve, and then tomorrow, Christmas Day. Can't wait for that. So that'll be a nice daylight one, because I'm not at work, and so tomorrow, Christmas Day. So that's going to be a lovely one to do in the daytime, and hopefully you'll join me for that at some point. It's going to be really short. I'm not going to be spending ages doing it. So all that's left for me to do tonight is wish you Merry Christmas. Have a wonderful Christmas Eve, whatever you do. And make sure that you leave something out for Santa. And I'll see you in the morning.